So in this video, let's just see how we can copy arrays in Python. So there are multiple ways we can copy arrays in Python. So first of all, let's just create one array. So we're gonna use the numpy. So we have to import numpy as np. So first of all, we need to install the numpy using the command pip install numpy, and then it will automatically download and install all the packages. And here we are importing numpy as np so that it will be easier to call any method of the numpy very easily using the np. So first of all, create the array. So we're gonna create the array1. So np dot array. So we're gonna create one simple array with only 4 elements. So first of all, let's just see how we can use aliasing to copy one array. So let's now create one array. So we're gonna call this array alias. Basically, aliasing means we are directly going to assign our array to that new array. Now both of these array will point to the same memory location. So here no new object is created. Instead, we are just giving one new name to our previous array. That means if we modify on our previous array, then all the modifications will reflect in this array also. So if we print both of their address, the address of the array alias, and also just print their values. So array1 value and the array alias values. So let's now run this. So you can see both of their address is same. So basically both of them are just pointing to the same address, and also their values are also the same. So this is in case of aliasing. So let's now talk about shallow copy. So let's just create array sh. So we're gonna use the method for the shallow copy, array1.view. So here we are basically creating one new array object, array sh, but the data in the new array is still referenced to that original array1. That means if we perform any kind of modifications to the array1, the modifications will also reflect in this new array sh because they share the same underlying data. However, because they are two different objects, so their address will be different, and any changes to the structure of this array1 will not affect this array sh because they are two different objects. So let's now print the address and values. So this time we're gonna print the address of the array sh, value of the array sh, and also let's just perform one simple modifications to our original array1. Modify the first element with the value 10. So let's now see how that affects. So here you can see this is the address, and both of them has different addresses. So that means both of these are two different objects. Both of them has two different addresses. But if you notice, their values are the same. Here we have made some modifications to the array1, which is the original array. The data is also reflected to this new shallow copied array. So although they are two distinct objects, but still changes in the data of one will reflect in another one. And also we have the deep copy. So let's now perform the deep copy. So we're gonna create the array dp. To perform the deep copy, we're gonna use the copy method. So the copy method used to perform deep copy of the array1, and this will create this new array dp object. So the deep copy basically creates a completely independent copy of our original array. That means if we make any changes to our original array, will not affect this deep copied array because they do not share any memory. So here let's just modify the second element, and we're gonna modify this to 20, and we're gonna print deep address and deep value. So here we're gonna print the address of the new array dp, print the value of the array dp, just to check how they affect. So here you can see both of these arrays have two different addresses. So they are completely separate object. And also you can see, so here we have made the modification to the second element of our original array and the values are not reflected to that deeply copied array. So that means, so in case of deep copy, they have different address and also they do not share any data. That means if we modify one, that will not reflect another one. So this is the way we can copy arrays in Python. Either we can use the aliasing or we can use the shallow copy, and also we can use the deep copy to perform the copy of array in Python. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.